So I'm just waking up, tired. This is the best water bottle. Hands down. About to go to the gym. When you're in Jamaica, buy this water. Water. It's the best. I'm gonna hit that gym. It's early in the morning, but I gotta get this workout in no matter what. This is the gym. You just gotta make the best of it, yo. I don't know what happened. They said all the weights, they got stolen, so, you know? And we got Crocs. Good morning, Jamaica. Look at this beautiful view. Like, holy. Look at this. This is, yo, every day waking up to this? It's life. So now I gotta go to a gym because this gym sucks. So yo, I found a gym. It's 3,000 Jamaican dollars a person to work out.
That's cash price.
Huh?
That is cash price.
That's cash price. How much is the debit?
3,450.
Yeah, it's crazy. Jamaica's not a joke. But yo, I need to work out, so I gotta pay. Because the Airbnb, the gym is just not it. There's no weights in the gym. Someone stole the weights, and then the little circuit, stupid machine they have, doesn't even work yet. Struggle. So since I'm here for a week, she's gonna give me a deal. It's 8,000 for the week. Some of you guys might think it's expensive. I need to work out, so I need to pay. And I don't have time to run around to other gyms. This is a nice gym. I just got to figure what I'm going to work on. I think I'm probably just going to do some shoulders and some chest. It's the best water bottle. So basically everything I did, I'm gonna do another 2 more sets of each, and then I'm done. Yeah. I don't kill myself in a gym. I just do what works for me and go from there. But I want to show you guys all. So the workout was good. Now I'm gonna go consume some food. Yeah, there's no diet in Jamaica, to be honest. It's not like I'm back home doing meal prep, So that's the restaurant I'm gonna go to, is Sky. But like, yo, look outside. They got the punching bag. They got this nice tarp. Let me tell you something. You see those tires? Tires are life. You guys see the mangoes over here? Look at the mango. That one right there is ripe. You see it? Yeah. I can't even teeth one right now. But look, the green mangoes are over here. We don't care about that. That's one thing I can say about Jamaica. You see the fresh fruits everywhere? It's a blessing. It's not like here in Canada, America, where you gotta go buy a mango by the pound. No. Everything is just right here. Right here. Sky, we're going to Sky. We're gonna go upstairs and go consume some food. So you see the rain clouds over there, it's raining. And then when you come over here, look at that, there's no rain over there. It looks good. Let me try it now. Because if it's not good, I always say it's not good. The curry goes good, but it should be more hot. It's kind of warm. Look at the fry to the chicken. fried chicken's good. When you're ordering food, you have to get combos.
Road in front of Arden Road and Oak Road, yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm stepping out. I don't know, I'm just gonna go to this event and see how it goes and just film it, to be honest. I'm tired, but gotta go. So we got Nike shoes on, Nike socks, Nike shorts, Nike top. Just wear gym clothes, to be honest. They told me I couldn't film in here, so I need content. I'm sorry, I'm not disturbing nobody. I'm gonna film in here. Look, it's beautiful. Like, do you guys see this? Why not show people what this amazing apartment look like? Like, come on. What are they gatekeeping? Like, make it make sense. When you do come to Jamaica, make sure you have a side bag, please. Just make sure you have a side bag, trust me. Thank me later. This is a must. Do not bring nothing in your pockets. Don't do that. Keep it close. Let me tell you guys something. You see Uber? Uber is the best app in Jamaica to use. I don't care what anyone says. This app is clutch. Where am I going? So it's what, $697? But there's a trick to this. Because when you clock out of it, wait like 2 minutes, and you get back inside, it'll go maybe to like $500. So Uber's like 10 to 20 bucks. It's worth it, trust me. No matter what anyone says, I've never had a bad experience since I've been here. How this guy, okay. This guy said he's here. He's arrived. So why isn't it? Yo, sometimes this app has glitches in it.
Ketchup and pepper.
So yo, check this. I went to buy some jerk chicken, right? I bought 2 pieces of jerk chicken. This guy's gonna come tell me $4,000. So I turned the camera on the guy. I'm like, listen here. I'm gonna tell everybody on YouTube you're charging me $4,000 for chicken that's supposed to be $1,500 to $2,000. So the man switched it up real quick and he's like, all right, give me $1,500. I'm like, bro, you're trying to hustle me for it. I'm telling you, these guys out here. I mean, it's a grind, but $4,000 for 2 pieces of chicken? That's just not it. No, we're not doing that. I just want to say, yo, this chicken, I can eat this every day in Jamaica. Well, I just want to say this, yo. Jamaica is safe, okay? Like, you're in Canada, you're not going to go to certain hoods. It's the same thing with Jamaica. You're not going to go to certain areas, yo. So, for the people going around saying Jamaica is safe, not safe, just don't go to certain areas, yo. You know where to stay there. And don't come to Jamaica and do nothing stupid. You'll be good, yo. Other than that, Jamaica's blessed. It's beautiful. Enjoyment. Yo, right now I'm going to an event called Old Canada. It's their 10-year anniversary. Shout out to Kingdom Living, Edmonton-based black business owner / designer. Yeah, so I'm going right now. And my Uber's here. Oh shit. That's the fit, off whites, white pants. Let's go see what this event's all about. Uber?
Yeah.
All right.
We see thee from far and wide. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
When you get over your beard, your proper eye trees. Go. All who happy for their Jamaica, put your two on the mail.
This man from 90s,
Your DJ down. Let go the street.
so life like
Now everyone say no, we outside.
Swim, big up on myself as well. Jesus Christ. When I walk to the crowd, we find one teddy bear. He's an artist. He's coming up in the world. Big artist. If they want to sing to me, I'm gonna ask Christ. Me know say I'm gonna send me right through to tomorrow, man. Say something. Jayus.
Yeah. Oh, Canada, blessed good morning.
So me I say, 410 link, I see you, my brother. You don't know image, you don't know your book.
And yo, when they talk about the streets, they talk about boom boom. And when they talk about boom boom, they talk about gully side. They talk about boom boom. This is DJ Cal, and I respect you. I see what you doing. You got the streets on lock. You a real survivor. Hey yo, boom boom, shut everything down. Let's go.
You hear me, I say, yo? You see, you know the line? You know the right, so I want to fight in me. You see me? Big up world order.
Wait.
Let it go.
me. The big parade, all my yardies, all those playing with Yardmas tomorrow. It's going to be a tremendous movie. Kenners, always a joy, brethren. Big up to Ari. Let me see this. Keep it all, hold it right there. A lost phone and a pink case. Listen, if anyone